It's your boy Bag Boy, kicking it with Ace Loco. He's doing it. Legit. What's the name of the instrumental? Fire. Portable. I'm feeling this beat that you're playing for me. Everyone on YouTube trying to get on it. They want to kick it and they want to see everything. And I'm not worried about other people's opinion. YouTube, everyone knows who I am, what I do. You gotta get comfortable.